iPhone day. So today we're going to the Apple store. We're going to go pick up the iPhone 13 Pro in gold. I got it in 512. We're also picking up the iPhone 13 Pro Max because my wife, well, she wanted a new phone too, and she uses it to record for her channel. And also picking up the iPad mini, which is in purple and 64 gigabytes Wi-Fi version. So we're going to go run down there and we're going to go pick that up. And once again, we're going to do it in style. Time to fire up the Supra. And of course, we're going to put it in sport mode. And we finally made it to the mall. Home of the Apple Store. You know, I think I commented on this last time. Of course, whenever I come down here, I love to go to the Cinnabon. You think that being right here next to the Apple Store, that they would have this sucker open for iPhone Day so they could make some money. Also, I'd really love a Cinnabon right now. And there we have the elusive Apple Store in its natural environment. And we have all the stuff. Lots of stuff today. iPad mini, also the iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Big day. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go inside the store. Apparently they have a mask requirement now. They didn't have one last time I was here. You could just walk right in. Today, not so much. Well, it's been a little while since I've got to go fast. Maybe I'll have some fun real quick. Let's go. Alright, that was fast enough. And we're back in the studio with the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. And I also have the iPad mini. So this one, actually, I'm going to do a special video on. It's not going to be showcased today, but I have it, and I'm pretty excited about it. So let's go ahead and dive in, take these suckers out of the box so we can take a look at the brand new iPhones. So much stuff right here. So again, iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue and iPhone 13 Pro in gold. Both of these are 512. I have the 64 gigabyte iPad mini, and then I got the folio case to go with my iPad. We'll set that all to the side. I have my wonderful Nomad case here, my favorite rugged case that they have for the 13 Pro from iPhone. And then these are the cases that I have for the Pro and the Pro Max. So I got my wife the blue one to go with her Sierra Blue iPhone, which she didn't want to unbox herself, and the green one to go with my gold iPhone. I think this is going to be a good match. Kind of reminds me like Notre Dame or Irish colors, so that's kind of neat there. We'll put the green case on the gold phone. Now let's go ahead and take these out of the box. We'll start with mine. So one of the major changes here, they don't have plastic wrap on these anymore, trying to be more environmentally friendly, save the world, all that good stuff. And it's just a simple pull tab, like not a whole lot going on here. So we'll take that, and then we'll do this one, and then we'll take the phone out of the box. And there's not a whole lot inside of here. We already went through all this pain before. There's no charger in the box. And here we have it. This is the gold iPhone 13 Pro. I think I need some more light on this. Hold on one second. All right, we have some better light now. It's a very, very soft and light color gold. Like depending on how the light hits it, it can look more gold, or it can even look almost just like a gold tinged, like a white color. These cameras are gigantic. Like compared to the ones on the 12, really surprised how large these are. Big sensors, big lenses, big housing. Supposed to take good pictures. iPhone logo there. Let's go ahead and take this off. Everybody loves this part. There we go. And here we have it. We have the nice shiny sides on it. We got the little antenna port for the 5G. We got the power button over there. Still over here on the left-hand side, we got our SIM card tray. And then we've got the volume buttons up and down, the mute switch. I will say this is one heck of a gorgeous looking phone. That's for certain. It looks really nice. It just ties in so well together, especially when you hit the outside color and then the back color. This gold, I really like the way this looks. This looks like real gold to me as opposed to the one on the 12. Whenever the 12 first got announced, I was like, man, this looks nice. I want the gold. And then I saw it in person eventually, and I did not like it. A little bit more heft than my iPhone 12 has on it. Let's go ahead and put the case. Actually, no, let's finish the unboxing. Not a whole lot in here. We have our cable here, which is a USB-C to lightning charging port. Hopefully on the next one, it'll be just USB-C to USB-C. That would make life great. And then that's it inside the box. So we have this little thing. Of course, they have to include the SIM ejector tool, and then we have the sticker. Yeah, out of all the years I've been dealing with iPhone and Apple products, I've never used any of these stickers. But anyway, so you have the stickers, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and open up the case here. Put the green Apple Silicone case on here. These are kind of my favorite day-to-day carry. Now, this one right here, the Nomad case, is my favorite leather case. I like these. They're fantastic. But the silicone case is usually my daily driver as far as cases go. I like how they do this with their cases. It's got the little pull tab. You pull it up, take the case out. And I've been using the purple one on my iPhone 12 for a long time now. So, I mean, you can see it holds up pretty darn well. I got this day one when I got my iPhone 12. Now we've got the 13 Pro Max. Pop this baby on there. One thing I forgot to get was a screen protector. So I'm going to have to get that. Wow, that looks really good. You can see here the gold, it just shines through so well with this green. This is probably one of the best color combinations that you're going to see this go around. So very cool there. Let's go ahead and look at the Nomad case. That way you guys can get a look and a feel for it. Of course, there is always the Apple leather case. And the official Apple leather cases are nice too. I've used those for years as well. But this right here, Horween leather, one of the oldest tanneries in the U.S. It's been around since 1905. And it has 10 feet of drop protection, and it's got MagSafe now. So you can use this with your MagSafe charger. Got this nice microfiber on the inside. It's very, very nice and soft. You don't have to worry about scratching up the inside of your phone. Pop that on there, and you can see that it looks fantastic. If you want to see what the leather looks like, it kind of ages and matures over time. I've had this Nomad leather wallet made out of the same leather for about 3-4 years now, and ultimately this phone case is going to look like this one day. It's going to look really, really nice, and that's their big thing. It has the patina that develops over time, so it's really neat. And it's also got the digital business card in here now, which you can use as well. That's sharp, and it looks good with the gold too. I like that. Anyway, fantastic case, drop protection, raised bezel, so that way your phone is protected if you place it down on a flat surface. So very cool there with the Nomad case. Put the silicone back on here for now. I gotta do the screen protector today. Now, let's move on to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the big boy. It's funny, my wife prefers the much larger iPhone. I think this thing's a big heavy brick. If you like it, go for it. I think it's because I actually use my phone more than my wife does. It really just gets kind of fatiguing for me to use this gigantic phone all the time, but here goes nothing. We'll do this. And but out. There we have the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, also 512 like mine. Big gigantic cameras. This blue color is very nice. It's like a soft baby blue almost. I like the way this looks. It looks really good in person. I think I may like this better than the Pacific Blue. Looks pretty good, especially on the sides. It's really a nice color combination here. Go ahead and take this off. And there we have the big gigantic screen. 6.7 inches as opposed to 6.1. And just like me, my wife uses her iPhone for her recording as well. I find it's a little bit easier whenever we're using this one, just because the 13 Pro and the 13 will fit in a case, or they fit into a holder much easier. But this one, it's a big phone, for sure. I like the color, though. That's a really nice color. It's really well matched. And then again, all the same stuff. Volume, buttons, SIM tray, lightning port, speaker on the bottom. Sharp looking phone. Let's go ahead and look at the box again. Nothing else in here. We have the stickers in the little box again. And then the cable. Not a whole lot special when it comes to the iPhone unboxing experience. Like the special thing about the iPhone unboxing experience, is the iPhone. It's an exciting day. A lot of people really love iPhone Day. One day a year you get to go pick up your new phone, and then just so you can see them next to each other, this is the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Next to each other we got the gold and the blue. Sharp looking colors. Now let's go ahead and get this case on it. Take this one out of the box. It's taking a lot of willpower not to open up the iPad mini, but really I do have something special planned for tomorrow. So that'll be exciting. In the case, nice blue color. Put it right on the phone. Boop. Looks pretty good to me, I think. Big, huge camera housing. And of course you got the protective cutout here that keeps your camera safe. The case sets up higher than the cameras if you set it down on a flat surface. And then you get the raised bezel protection around the edges. This is for all their Apple cases. And of course it's MagSafe as well. Pretty neat. Alright, so that's it with the unboxing. Ta-da! iPhone 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. Unboxed, we took a look at them. We looked at the cases, looked at some of the other stuff, and yeah, I like it. I'm happy to be moving up from the 12 to the 13 Pro. Really happy about the storage. Really interested in checking out these big, gigantic cameras because these suckers, they're big. But of course, you got the ProRes camera capability now to record. You got the macro photography and video. You've got the new focus modes. There's a lot of neat new things that this phone brings to the table. I can't wait to fire it up and test out the ProMotion display. So we're going to test out that as well. The new 120 Hz display that we have on the iPhone. But that's it as far as my trip to the store, the unboxing, checking out the phones, and hopefully you guys are having a great Apple Day. Hopefully you were able to get one today. If not, have yours pre-ordered or have it ordered now so you can get one as soon as they become available. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off now, but thanks a lot for checking the video out. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.